there, so you want to know how you can simply go ahead and show what games you're playing on Discord? Well, this is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. So first things first, open the game and then simply go ahead into your user settings. Once you've done that, it's going to simply take a little bit of time to go ahead and load up. So let's just wait for that. Now, as you can see, once you simply go ahead and click on the gear icon, it's going to open this big menu. And now in this menu, what you want to do is look for something called activity privacy. So it's right over here, as you can see. And as you can see, it says automatically share my activities when joining a server. You can simply go ahead and select that. You can simply turn that on and click on share in all servers. It is as simple as that. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If it did, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.